Hi, my super smart first graders. Today we are actually going to read some words with a short I. The short I says, eh. Say that with me. Eh, like igloo. We read words with a short I like this. Eh, him. Let's do that again. Eh, him. We are going to read a row of words, and we're going to read it the slow way by sounding the word out, and then we will go back and do the fast way. Then I will send you a video of us reading a decodable reader where you can sound the words out in the book. Let's read this word. Id, hid. Ip, hip. Is, his. Is, ip, rip. Now let's read these the fast way. If you think this is too easy for you, you read, pause the video, read, then unpause and check your answer. Hid, hip, his, is, rip. Now let's go to line 2. Let's sound it out. I want you to pause the video and try to read the word yourself, and then unpause it and listen to my reading. Don't just listen to me, because then you won't really learn. Ran. Him. Had. Has. At, pat. Now let's read this word the fast way. Ran, him, had, has, pat. Now let's read row 3. Let's sound it out. Id, did. Amp, rap. Tam. Sam. Is, his. Let's read this row the fast way. Did, rap, tam, Sam, his. Now pause the video. Try to read. Pause the video after. I don't know if I said that right. Try to read this sentence. We're going to sound it out first and then read it the fast way. Add, dad, as, has, rib, two. Dad has a rib, too. Go back and read this over and over again if this felt hard for you, because the more practice you have reading, the better you will read. Please see my next video to read a text, also known as a story, with words with short I.